to thank God for getting me through this rigorous program alive and blessing me with people in my life that also helped me along the way. I want to thank all my family and friends as well for being a rock and always pushing me to become the woman I am today. I also want to thank all the faculty and staff for preparing me for the clinic experience, specifically Dr. Becker, Dr. Phil, and Dr. Lerner. Thank y'all so much. I also want to thank Dr. Guest for being my adopted case doctor. He's probably the best mentor y'all have in this clinic, and I really appreciate him taking the time to share his wisdom with me. Now it's time to go be a part of the 2% of African Americans representing this profession.
I also wrote mine down because I'm 90% sure I might blank, so. Okay. Thank you all for being here today. It's truly an honor to stand before such an amazing group of people. First, I want to give my thank yous to all the doctors and professors over at Escalent. Thank you for your dedication and your passion for teaching. To all the case doctors and staff for just caring to prepare us to be the best chiropractors we can be. To my colleagues and now my lifetime friends, thank you for your support system, for sharing the laughs, the tears, and the lessons. As I step into the new chapter of my life and career, I carry with me the resilience that required of us, and the gratitude for the resilience of all those who came before me, paving the way for us to be here today. The biggest thanks is to God. May He lead me closer to the truth, to His love, and use me as an instrument to bring healing, hope, and lead the world into a better future. Thank you.